What's up fans, Raju here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video I am going to show you how to make money on ClickBank affiliate marketing for free. It's an untapped method. No one can apply this method and I will share this method in this video. So guys, don't miss any part of this exciting video. I will share you everything step by step about this ClickBank affiliate marketing and you can generate easily 300 or more per day using this simple untapped method. So guys, be ready to see this exciting method. I assure you, you will never be disappointed to watch this video. So guys, I am Rajabhadro, affiliate marketer of ClickBank, JBJu, Warrior Plus, and many other high-ticket programs, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, by online marketing, and I am working here for last 8 years. So guys, be ready to see how to make money with ClickBank affiliate marketing for free, and I will show you everything in just 3 steps. So guys, don't miss any part of this video. I will share you everything. But first thing is first, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Rajabhadro and punch the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my exciting videos. And you see here it's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing, and I try my best to upload videos in the daily basis. A lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. You see here I try my best to cover ClickBank method, JPG method, Warrior Plus method, high ticket training program, CPA method, free traffic, everything. So if you are a newbie or an expert, it doesn't matter. If you want to make big money with affiliate marketing, with online marketing, then you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and I assure you, you will never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel. You see here. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. Now I want to show the best part, the cool part of this method and why you should apply this method. You see here, you can make over 10,000 to over $1,000 per day, then it's 100% free traffic, then you can make money for a lifetime and you can make money within 3 or 4 days. It's really exciting and anyone can do it. If you are a newbie or an expert, if you are an old age, if you are an young, it doesn't matter, and it's 100% workable and 100% scam free, and you don't need to run any ads for getting traffic and you don't need to buy any software to apply this method. So there is no difficulties, just take action, just complete the training and apply this simple method. Now I want to discuss about all those 3 steps. At first you have to join ClickBank affiliate network. So guys, visit this clickbank.com and simply sign up here. It's 100% free to join. So first select your country here, then your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address, your password, and simply click here and join ClickBank affiliate network. It's need 2 or 3 days to get approval and to get all the product access inside the ClickBank marketplace and make ClickBank commission. Okay guys, after sign up your ClickBank account, step number 2, you have to find the best products to promote. Visit this ClickBank marketplace and you see here all the categories, and you can apply any categories using this method and you can make ClickBank commission using this untapped method. You see here all the categories here. Now you see here this e-business and e-marketing. all the affiliate marketing, all the make money related products inside here. You can choose any of the product to promote the product and make ClickBank commission. Now I want to promote this 12-minute affiliate system, and if I make any sales, then I can generate this commission promoting this product. That's simply click this promote button and generate your hope link. If someone buy this product using this affiliate link, using your hope link, then you can make commission. Okay, generate your hope link, and you see here it's your hope link or your affiliate link. Simply you can copy this link just clicking here. Okay, so step number 2 has been completed. Now step number 3, and it's the most important part of any method, online marketing, any affiliate marketing. It's the traffic part. Get traffic to promote. If you have traffic, then you can generate money. Otherwise no one can help you to make money online. So you have to focus on traffic, and I will show you this traffic part, and it's 100% free. But if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my exciting videos. Now guys, at first you have to search affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. Okay, fine. You see here all the sites inside Google. You see here, you see here, you see here. Now you can choose any of the website. Now okay, go this website. You see here, you see here. All the process of affiliate marketing, you see this website. Okay, fine. This website, locationrebel.com. Now visit this website Snipely. You see here this website Snipely, and you have to sign up here. You can sign up here using your Facebook account, using your Twitter account, or using your Gmail account. I already signed up here, and visit this dashboard of this Snipely. Now create call to action. Create new call to action. Then see here this type option. Then button. You see here button. Now you have to create your message. You have to create a call to action. Now enter your message. I want to promote this 12-minute affiliate section. Then you can put it. Then here the button text, get instant access, and here your button link, and is your button link is your affiliate link or your generated hope link. Just simply click this link and paste here. See this, continue. You see, you are done. Create a link. Enter your link. You see here. Then simply use this link. You see here this website link, copy this link and enter your link here, this website link. Okay, now simply snipe. Here is the magic, here is the tricks. Now just copy this link and see it. Visit this link, your snipe link. You see here your this website, this guys, this website, and here is the magic. You see here this banner, you see this banner, and when you see this get instant access, click here and you will get your 12-minute affiliate link. Okay, it's a opportunity, it's a new system. Okay, don't abuse this system. Okay guys, so you have to promote this link. It's not a direct affiliate link, it's a website link like this. Okay, and you just use your banner here. Now go to your Facebook and you can share this link into these targeted groups. Okay, then simply search here affiliate marketing. Okay, now search here and search groups. Okay, search groups here. You see here all the groups of affiliate marketing. You have to join these affiliate marketing groups and you can promote your links inside these groups. Now you see here one of the group, affiliate marketing for everyone. Open this group and you see make a post. Most of the videos, most of the marketer recommend you to comment other people's post, message the various guys, various group members, but you don't need to do this. Inside here just make a amazing post, make a helpful post. I already make a post here, you see it, written post. You see here, do you want to get a new revolutionary online marketing system? If you are a newbie or an advanced marketing marketer, if you are a newbie or an advanced marketer, it doesn't matter, you can do it. The best part of this system, it's 100% easy, done for you system. You can generate sales even if you have never made a sell online before. You can generate both leads and affiliate sales on autopilot. It's work in just 3 steps. And finally see here, get more details. Then you can use your Snipely link, and you see here it's not an affiliate link. You see this is this website post. You see here this website post, locationrebadel.com, and you can simply post it. That's it. You can generate ClickBank commission applying this simple method, and there is no difficulties. Just first search any affiliate marketing website by searching on Google. You see here, then go this sniping and create a call to action, and I show it step by step, and just simply follow this system. And finally share your sniping link into various Facebook groups and make a amazing post, make a helpful post, and you can simply share your sniping link and you can generate traffic and make clickbait commission. So guys, I think you never seen this method in other videos, in other tutorials. So if you like this video, like my video, and if you have any comment, if you have any question, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share these videos with the others and to your friends. So guys, see you soon. God bless you. Bye.